What's up you guys? Today we're gonna review another skincare. And I'm gonna review this Bellic Peel and Glow products right here. These two products right here lang i-review ko. Supposedly dapat kasama yung moisturizing, yung cream sa face, and the toner. Unfortunately, nung ni-review ko to, meron akong ginagamit or nire-review na skincare nun, which is the Pond's. So, soon you guys, i-review ko rin yun. So just hold on, i-review ko rin yun. I promise you guys. Unahin na natin tong lotion. This one is the Bellic Peel and Glow Brightening Body Lotion. It is packed with whitening benefits of natural daisy flower extract and kojic acid that helps lighten skin tone, revealing radiant skin, non-greasy, and glides easily on the skin for long-lasting softness. This will cost you 135 pesos for 120 grams. And now let's continue on with the soap. This one is a brightening soap. Combines the multiple power of naturally derived peeling and whitening ingredients such as glycolic acid, salicylic acid, daisy flower extract, and kojic acid to ensure effective peeling for healthier, younger, and brighter skin. Added with skin conditioner for softer and smoother feel. You can absolutely purchase this anywhere, you guys. As in, sa supermarket, sa Mercury Drug, SM, sa Robinsons. Very accommodating siya bilhin. Now, pag-usapan naman natin yung advantages niya compared to other kojic acid-based product in the market. Unahin na natin yung soap. Compared to other kojic acid-based products, you guys, yung soap niya medyo mas matagal matunaw compared to other kojic. Kasi usually, mga kojic users dyan, alam nyo na mabilis talaga matunaw ang kojic soap, as in super, that you have to cut it out. Hahatiin nyo siya para lang hindi ganun kabilis matunaw. However, for this one, medyo matagal siya matunaw, you guys. Yun ang advantage niya with other kojic acid-based products. This lasts me for a good 1.5 weeks. Naliligo ako sa umaga at sa gabi. And also, compared to other kojic-based soap and lotion, nakaamoy na ba kayo? Isa lang yung amoy niya. Sa kojic lotion, medyo iba-iba yung scent nila. Marami silang nilalagay na extract or amoy doon. But sa kojic soap, this is quite different kasi the usual amoy ng kojic soap medyo iisa lang. But this one, it has a orange feel on it. Maaamoy mo talaga yung orange niya. Sa mga top scent na pinakaayaw ko is orange, lemon, orange, at saka lavender. Lavender na perfume hindi ko gusto yung amoy. But however, for this one, yung orangey scent niya, yung tolerable. Alam niyo yun, hindi nakakahilo, it's tolerable scent. So, compared with other kojic soap, eto mabango siya. So, hindi siya masangsang yung amoy, hindi yung amoy kojic soap talaga. So, this one has a good feel of orangey scent to it. Now, let's talk about my verdict about this product. It is indeed effective, you guys. Lumalaban siya to other kojic soap, like Kojisan and all that. However, for the soap, medyo high price siya compared to other kojic soap out there. Like yung Kojisan will cost you like 50 pesos, dalawang pack na yun. Very affordable na ang kojic soap ngayon compared dati kasi medyo mas mahal siya. Pero ngayon, very affordable na kasi kahit saan nyo siya makikita all over the supermarket natin. This is more on higher price pero yung effectivity niya almost the same as all the kojic soap. Pero mga intense kojic soap na mas mataas yung kalidad nila in terms of whitening. Hindi ko siya ma-compare dito, though yun mas high-priced. Ito, medyo ano siya high-priced pa rin, pero nako-compare ko kasi siya sa mga lower-priced na kojic soap. This one, mako-compare ko siya sa other lotion, kojic-based lotion, kasi almost pareha sila ng price and quantity. So, ito, it does the job, and competitor-wise, parehas na parehas sila ng presyo ng mga lower brand. Yun ang nagiging problema ko with kojic-based lotion is that medyo drying sila, but this one, hindi siya ganun ka-dry. Ako, overly dry ako sa body. Hindi siya enough for me to moisturize. So, masasuggest ko siya sa mga normal skin. However, for dry, okay din siya to moisturize, but it's not enough. Number 2 na napaka-importante sa akin is SPF talaga. Kung i-compare nyo to sa other kojic soap na walang SPF, lumalaban yung presyo niya, you guys, kasi 135 pesos lang siya. Okay na yung presyo niya for a non-SPF or non-sunscreen product. So, yun. Kasi very important sa akin ng sunscreen, you guys. Kasi walang kakwenta-kwenta ang whitening nyo or pampaganda nyo kung wala ring SPF. Kasi yung paligid natin, pollution, araw, lahat yan, nakaka-damage ng skin, nakaka-itim, nakaka-wrinkle up. So, SPF is really, really important for me. For the price range of this lotion, okay na wala siyang SPF kasi mako-compare ko siya sa ibang produkto or lotion in the market. So, okay na rin sa akin yun. However, for you guys, suggestion ko lang, ang must-have talaga ang sunscreen or SPF. Now, let's continue on with recommendations. Silang dalawa marirecommend ko for those who have normal skin, you guys. Absolutely, ang must-try ito. If I would suggest the soap, not actually, kasi medyo overpriced siya compared to other kojic soap in the market. And however, for the lotion, lumalaban yung presyo niya to other non-SPF or non-sunscreen lotion at kojic acid-based lotion din in the market. So, I will suggest this, yes, but kulang to ha, kulang to in terms of moisturizing, and also you have to have an SPF along with this kasi sayang ang produktong to kung hindi nyo rin gagamitan ng SPF kasi mag-burn din kayo. And then also, yung sinasabi niya kasing peel and glow, wala akong peeling na naramdaman dito or na-experience. Though dry na yung aking body, supposedly dapat pag dry ang skin mo, mas marami kang peeling na ma-experience, but I didn't experience any peeling with this product. So, I don't know kung bakit nila kiniklaim yung peeling. So, ang recommendation ko, I would suggest the lotion, yes, but you have to have like sunscreen. Soap, medyo hindi. Kasi nako-compare ko siya sa lower priced product or soap na kojic based. So, yun. Hindi ko ma-recommend to, but the lotion, I would give a yes. And yeah, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching it. Kung may recommendation kayo on what to review next, comment lang kayo sa comment bars. And also, don't forget to give this a big like, a big thumbs up, para alam ko na nagugustuhan nyo yung mga ganitong video ko. And yeah, guys, basically that's it. I hope you guys enjoy watching this. And don't forget to be happy all the time and have a great day. Bye, guys! Rinig ba ako dyan sa labas? Yes! Hala! And ba? Kung nakalimutan nyo mag-subscribe kanina, click nyo yung pagmumukha ko dyan sa baba. Kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung video ko, yung last video ko, ito yan, click nyo lang yan. And all of my social medias are down here, so go ahead and check me out there. And I would like to say hi to Venus Roas. Hello, Venus. Thank you for watching. I love you. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye!